Yo, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm gonna see just how many country outlines can I recognize. So, before we have the USA, UK, New Zealand. I don't quite know how to pronounce New Zealand. Canada, not Canada. I will Canada again. Canada, Russia, Netherlands. That's of course France. We have Italy, Ireland. I haven't done one of these for quite a long time. We have Ivory Coast. We have Bulgaria. Next up, Hungary, Madagascar, Japan. Yeah, South Korea, Bangladesh, Palau, Brazil, Sweden, just with a single E, Finland, all the Nordic countries, Finland, Norway, Iceland, Denmark, Greece. That's Georgia, ain't it? Yes, that should be Georgia. GIA, Georgia, yes. Is it Tonga or is it Togo? I think it's Tonga. Yup, then we have next up Malta. I always get the Dominican Republic and the Dominican flag confused. I think this is the Dominican Republic flag. Dominican Republic. Also, there's a time limit of like I think 15 minutes or 16 minutes. China, of course. That's Vietnam. Is it Cameroon or Senegal? I think yellow, so with the vertical stripes indicated Cameroon. Indeed, it was Cameroon. We have Burkina Faso, Burma, also known as Myanmar, Kosovo. Then next up we have Albania, and it's Cyprus. Both of these flags have the country outline on their flag. Cyprus. If I were to choose one, I'd prefer the Cyprus one. It looks more cleaner, you know. We have the Bhutan, classic Bhutan dragon. Lebanon with the tree, Christmas looking tree. Nepal with the unique flag shape. Vatican, the world's smallest country if you don't know yet. It's Switzerland. Belgium, Niger. And what even is this? Isn't an African? I think it's Gabon. Indeed, Israel, Papua. I forgot how to spell Guinea. I think it's with Giunnea. Guinea. How to pronounce Guinea? Guien. Guinea. I think I have to look up how to spell Guinea. It's lagging. Papua. Guinea. Okay. Guinea. Next up we have San Marino, a microstate inside of Italy if you don't know yet. It's Democratic Republic of Congo, the DRC. Turkey, Tunisia with both similar looking flags. Algeria, Pakistan. Then is it Mauritania or Mauritius? I think it's Mauritania. Indeed, then we have Azerbaijan, Comoros, Libya. Ouch, my hands are hurting so badly. Ah! Okay, so then next up we have Malaysia. Uzbekistan. How to pronounce Uzbekistan? Uzbekistan. Singapore. And then we have it's Turkmenistan, innit? Turkmenistan. We have the Maldives. I think I have to raise my keyboard a little bit. Hold on. My hands are hurting so badly. We have the Maldives. My hands are still hurting. Shit. Oman, Saudi Arabia, Germany always reminds me of Spain, South Africa. It's Sudan or is it South Sudan? It's South Sudan. Jamaica. You have Mexico. Hold on, I have to pause the timer. Oh shit, my hands are hurting so bad. Ouch. Maybe we can bring the keyboard here. Maybe like keep the keyboard here. So this helps. Okay, this should help. Resume. Where were we? We were in Mexico. So okay, next up India is Eswatini, former name Swaziland. Kenya, Barbados, Austria. Is it Poland or is it Monaco? I think it's Poland. Then it's Indonesia. How to pronounce Indonesia? Indonesia. I have to look up how to pronounce Indonesia. Oh, excuse me, give me a second. Indonesia. That's technically not cheating. The cheating because I'm looking for the spelling. Indonesia. Okay. So Indonesia. It's Monaco, another microstate. It's Peru with Yemen, Egypt with a badass looking eagle, Iraq, Syria, UAE, Sudan. No, it's not Sudan. What is it? It's not South Sudan. It's not Sudan. Is it Kuwait? No, what is it? What is it? Kuwait. It's not Kuwait. Okay, it's Jordan. Yeah. Sudan. No, this is Kuwait. This is Palestine. No, it's not. It's the other way around. So okay, this is Sudan, isn't it? Yep. That's Tajikistan, Iran, Malawi. I think my microphone. I think my camera just died. So let's continue. Where were we? We were in Antigua, Argentina, Uruguay. What is it? The Cape Verde. What is it? What is it? I'll have to cheat a little bit because you can't skip in this website. Blue, cyan, yellow flag with yellow sun. Okay, it's Rwanda. It's Rwanda. Rwanda. North Macedonia. It's Marshall Islands. Philippines. Forgot. I don't know how. I can recognize. I almost recognize all the flags, but I don't know how to spell the country names. Philippines. Is it what? Okay, there are two P's. We have Kiribati. And then we have Kazakhstan. Namibia. Then that's Solomon Islands. No, it's Nauru. Venezuela. How to pronounce fucking Venezuela? Venezuela. Okay, so it's like Venezuela. Oh. Venezuela, okay. Venezuela. Okay, so it's Venezuela, okay. We have Seychelles, one of my favorite flags. Seychelles, but I don't know. Seychelles. Seychelles. I don't know about that one. Don't know about that one. I almost know all the flags. Yeah, but we're running out of time, and I don't know about that one. Yeah, so like green, yellow, red, like. That's Congo, okay. That's Congo. Republic of the Congo. You have Tanzania. Sao Tome and Principe. And then, what's this? Is it Saint Kitts? Okay, what's Saint Kitts and Nevis? Then we have what's this shit? I forgot. I know it. It's just at the top of my belly. Shit. Did I run out of time? I think I ran out of time. I got 106 out of 196. I definitely could have done a lot better if I knew all the country names. I recognize all of these flags, but I ran out of time. But at the same time, I don't know how to spell them. But yeah, this was today's video, guys. Hope you'll like it, and I'm gonna go and edit it. Bye bye.